back to another BeamNG drive video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jaguar CX75. It's a private mod actually, because most of these Jaguar mods are private. It is pretty cool. The interior quality is not the best. I could expect, but I don't know how. Probably it didn't have a better interior model, but because this thing, the Polo, it's updated. I forgot. Basically, interior is okay. The camera is cool. Okay, we just go into relative. See, look, interior is much better. I could forgive him for this. Okay, let's take it for a drive. Oh yeah, in terms of J-beam, heavily based off of bow light, but some kind of fits. Some don't. Ooh, no. Okay, let's go. This sounds like a boss, but with a supercharger. You can hear it, right? It sounds like a boss. Okay, let's check the crash damage. Let's flip this thing over. Oh, okay. Not bad. Kind of reminds me of some bad mods, but even those other private mods also had this kind of like crash damage, so yeah, could be forgiven. Don't ask why I put a baby blue. Whatever you know that guy. Hail Bale Square. Yeah. BeamNG physics, I guess. Old BeamNG physics engine. Okay, I just want to show you a little thing. So if you have a PESMA, PESMA. Okay, so if you shut the engine off, okay, and you go. God, that's loud. Okay. What that mod was like a burglar alarm. Yeah, Shift L to activate or deactivate it, and then L to just turn this thing off. Okay. A lot of potential. can continuously do this until the engine is on. But as soon as the engine's on, nothing. Okay. Rip. Should have just seen the 2 mods, but whatever. We didn't do much with this one. I'll do a full video on this one later on, or like tomorrow. Yeah. Throw this thing. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and here's my new end catchphrase now. What is it supposed to be? Yeah. Always stay. Oh no. We could just say, don't crash or the police will come. Bye.